This wig is from UNiceHair. All their information will be in the description box below, of course. This is what came with the pack and the wig. So you get a headband, you get a sheer wig cap, you get some thick long lashes, this makeup brush, and a super cute silk robe. Absolutely love this. It's really, really cute. Love these. And a hair care wig. So this is the UNiceHair wig. So the front on this wig is between like a closure and a frontal. It's 6 inches by 4.5 inches. It's in a body wave length and it is 24 inches long. This is what the inside looks like. The lace comes pre-cut for you, so as you can see here, the lace is already cut. They already plucked the wig a little bit, but I just want to show you the inside of the construction of the wig. So it's called an air wig and it's a glueless wig. So it has your combs at the side, it has your elastic band per usual, but what's different about this wig is it has this lining around the bottom of the wig, and this is to keep the wig from sliding off of your head. It adds an extra bit of security. As you can see, that thin layer there, and then also it's a breathable wig, so the inside of the wig will look like this, just so it doesn't get like hot and stuffy underneath the wig. So that is why it's called an air wig. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So don't mind me, y'all. I already have a wig cap installed from a different install. Yeah, we're just gonna pretend like it's new. Right, so what I'm just doing now is just taking my edge brush and some gel, and I'm just brushing my edges back. Because I'm going to be installing this wig glueless, I'm not gonna put on like another wig cap or anything. I'm just gonna use my natural hairline, but I just want to make sure my regular hair is slicked back. So as I showed earlier, the wig does come with an elastic band, but I went ahead and removed that because I don't need it. And I'm going to take my lace tint spray and I'm going to spray the closure slash frontal of this wig. I did not bleach these knots. So that's why I'm going in with this lace tint spray, and I'm also spraying it all over the wig cap just to make sure the color blends. And it came out pretty fine, even though I didn't bleach the knots, but I did go in and bleach the knots later after this video. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on and just adjust the combs and make sure it fits like comfortably on my head. I like when wigs typically fit behind my ear because that makes it fit more comfortably. This one did have to rest on top of my ear just a little bit, which was fine. It wasn't like covering my whole entire ear. So that means this wig comes a little bit bigger, so it is big head friendly. Immediately after putting the wig on, I could see the potential. It is super, super pretty and really thick and full. That was like my favorite part about it. But now I'm just shaking my head to kind of show you like how sturdy and how secure this wig on. Mind you, I have on no glue, no adhesive, nothing, just the wig by itself. So me doing all this shaking and tugging and pulling on my head, as you can see, the wig isn't coming off. And you can also see how much body and movement this hair has. It's really, really nice. So next I'm just going to go and style my baby hairs. I'm not going to do anything too crazy. I just want to keep it natural and minimal. But I do want to do baby hairs because I like doing baby hairs on my wigs. So I'm just going to do something small like a baby hair, like some on each side. I'm going to cut it and curl it and style it the same way that I always do my baby hairs or my edges. once my edges are done, now I'm just going to take my hot comb and flatten the top of the wig a little bit. It was already pretty flat, but I just wanted to go over it to make it sleek. And then after that, I just wanted to show you what the hair looks like in its original curl pattern, because I am going to curl it myself. But the original curl pattern is actually really pretty. It's like a body wave, but because the hair is like super thick and full, it looks like extra nice. I don't know. I really love it. It looks so silky and it is really, really soft. So because the hair was so thick, I decided to put, not wand curls, but I just decided to curl my hair with my curling iron. I got this curling iron from Hot Tools. Well, the brand is Hot Tools. I think I got it from like TJ Maxx or Marshalls. So only thing I do is just take small sections of hair and wrap it around the barrel of the curling iron. I don't really use the clamp because I don't know how. But honestly, I feel like this is the easiest way and the quickest way to curl hair. Overall, it took me maybe like 15 minutes to curl this hair, only because it's like so thick, but it really didn't take that long. And something I love about this hair is that it holds a curl really, really well. Like, I didn't need hairspray or anything like that to make the curl stay. These are the type of curls that will stay to the next day. Like, not all the way to the next day, but like the next day when you wake up, you'll still see waves. You'll still have waves. So I really love that about this hair. So once my hair is completely curled, I'm just going to take some thin scissors and cut some layers around just the front of my face. I didn't want to cut too many layers in this hair because I wanted to keep it thick and full throughout. But I definitely wanted to frame my face. I like cutting the hair after my hair is cut because I can see like better like how my hair is gonna fall when it's curled. So that's why I like doing it like after it's curled as opposed to like before. But yeah, I didn't want to put too many layers in this hair. Like I said, I didn't want to like chop it up and like do something crazy. Like, and then plus the hair was already thick, so I didn't need to do all of that. So this is the final look, or the finished look of the hair. And it came out really, really cute. I love these curls, and like I keep saying, this hair is so thick. I absolutely love this hair. I had no issues with tangling, of course, no issues with shedding or anything like that. This was honestly just top tier hair, honestly. And the fact that it could hold a curl so well made it that much better. And also just wanted to show you like this wig really is glueless. So if you do not want to apply glue, look at me shifting it around in the front. Like, you can literally lift it up. And it's super breathable. You don't need glue, so it's very beginner friendly if you don't know what you're doing with wigs. Honestly, just do your edges, style the hair, and go. But yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Adios till next time.